welcome to my unboxing video. On today's video unboxing, I got this light from Premier and it was delivered within 5 days. They delivered on time, nice delivery experience. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's unbox. You know the feelings. Let's go right in it. Let's go. Okay, here is the product name. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here is the stand, the light stand. Okay, like the base of the light. This should be the stand. This is the contents of the lights. So let's see everything inside. Okay, that's all. Okay, here is the main light itself, how it looks like. This is not bad. It has manual, which we hardly read manual here. We figure things out, so this is typically to show that it's complete. This is the stand here, this the base, this is the adjustable stand, which I believe can go to some extent. Okay, this is actually long. This is actually long here. It's branded. Okay, these are the filters that comes with it. This is white, green, red and yellow and blue here. So I think we should power this with power bank. This is the cord that came with it. Okay, this is the cord. I think these are the options of power and to adjust and thereabout. So let's see what we have here. Okay, here is okay. This is probably the blue light, what it looks like. Let's see the features of the okay. This is to reduce, minus. This is to increase, reduce. Okay, actually adjust. So I think this light will be good for product photo shoots and work as backlight, RGB lights. You choose the color you want. This is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. This is how this orange or yellow light looks like. It's on highest. These are to reflect or to increase or dim or something. Okay, let's see how the red looks like. So that's how many colors do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which this is good. This is really good. I am a fan of working on having independent light without depending on power supply, because you can't trust them. Power goes off and on. Here in Nigeria, we don't have steady lights. 2024, we are still having such experience. It's not funny at all. It's not funny. but we have to do what we can do to bring good content your way. So this is really good. This is really good. This is the white of it, and this white seems stronger than the rest. So this white seems stronger. It's stronger, not just seems. This is the white. So when we don't have light, I think this can actually serve any purpose it can. So here is the how this should go. Okay, expand. Oh, it can actually go down here, I think so. Press and shifts. Okay, press and shift. This is how the inner looks like. So okay, I have to press both sides to expand it. This is how it looks like. So this is the base here, and this guy here can actually go up. So the light should be here, should be screwed up here. It should be screwed up here. I'll recommend this light for anybody that is working on a budget. Anybody that's working on a budget friendly light, this can work. Okay, don't even really need to, you can adjust tight it here. Okay, can adjust, use the knob to adjust it. So this light is very good for anyone that is looking for budget friendly. I got this for around few dollars. It's not that expensive, equivalent to 13,000 14,000 naira. It's not that expensive. I got it from Jumia and it was delivered within 5 days. It was delivered within 5 working days. I paid on delivery because I've had funny experience on delivery, ordering something online. So I have to work on delivery, payments on delivery. So doing that, I have to see my products before making payments. So this is good if you are looking for affordable lights and you are working on a budget. This is very good. You decide the colors you want to use, and up here says you decide on the color you want to use. So here are the descriptions here. The instruction says product name USB LED panel lights. Package includes USB LED light. Okay, this is the main light. Cable with USB cable, mini tripod stand, white filter, red filter, yellow filter, blue filter, green filter. Correct. Everything is complete. Everything is intact as it's written here. Multiple use LED light sets. The small LED panel lights, 10 inches, 15 inches to another. So it's very okay. Specification: output power 15 watts, LED quality 120 pieces. Okay, color temperature 3200 to 5500. That is correct. DC power input, USB voltage 5 to A, mini tripod, flexible height 23 to 28 centimeters. That's correct. maximum height with extension stick, that's 51.8 inches, 130 centimeter. Everything is accurate, everything is correct. So let's stand it and see how tall it is and how the lights will look like. This is how the light looks like on the stand here. So, and if you feel like adjusting it, it's actually very tall. Okay, this is very tall here. It's actually very tall. So this can actually work as backlight, and the cable, the cord that came with it is actually, it's very long. So I will really recommend this light. So, and you can adjust this how you want it. You can bring it down, adjust it how you want it to be. Okay, anyhow, you can face it down, you can face up. Like I said earlier, this can work as product photo. You can use it depending on the background you want. You need to put light under. Most people do photography, perfume photography, product photography, and they need some kind cinematic lights. This can do the work for you. So this is very good. The carton came very clean, everything came intact, everything came complete. So I would really recommend this light for anyone that is working on a budget. You don't have light for big, you don't have money for big lights, and you have light issues, like you don't have steady light, you don't have a solar panel and the rest of them. If you live in Africa, live in Nigeria, you will really understand what content creators go through every day to bring content your way. It's not easy. You might be doing video, making video, creating content. At the middle, the light will just go off. So best thing is to get alternative, which is power bank. One, that's two, is to get a rechargeable light you can recharge and be independent. You need independent lights basically, because most content creators can't afford fuel, gas, generator at this stage. The inflation is affecting everybody. So the best you can do is to get independent power source, which is what I am using right now. The main light here is this. I bought from AliExpress. I've done the unboxing, and this is how it is here. So I will recommend this light for anyone that wants to get it. A naira equivalent is around 14,000 naira equivalent. That's few dollars. It's not that much. I don't know the exchange rate right now as of now that I'm making this video. So feel free to check on Jumia to get your own products. You can work on payment on delivery if you have trust issues about online stores, so you will not be experiencing any funny stories. So this is really good. So try it out. Let me hear what you think on the comment section. And don't forget, my name is Anthony Olo. I create content about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, website that pays you, on all that. And my live videos are about relationship, marriage, and happy home. So let me know what you think about these videos and my previous videos. Feel free to subscribe, be part of this wonderful community, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring lovely content your way. Don't forget, my name is Anthony Olo. See you guys on my next video. Cheers.